Hey, so in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use variations on Wondercraft. And in case you're not aware, variations have two particular use cases. The first one is if you want to create fast different versions of a production that you're creating on Wondercraft. So say you created an ad and you want to test like 4 or 5 different voices to share with colleagues and clients. You can do that at the click of one button. Basically, every new version will start from where you left off in the default one, in the first one, and you can add like different voices, and then finally, you can download or share a link that will have all of these different versions. And I'll show you how you can do that in a sec. The second use case is if you were creating dynamic ads and you want to create the different productions based on particular variables, right? So what we'll see here is we have this first version where in this first use case, we have Abby. And this is our default version. We're happy with this. Let's play it.
Step into a world of imagination with the Wonka bar.
So this sounds good, but maybe we want to try many different options here to share with our client. So if we go into variation 1, instead of having Abby, we can change Abby to be Anna. So let's have Anna read this in this one. And again, like we're in variation 1 now, so it does not impact at all our previous variation. So we have Anna in this one.
Step into a world of imagination with the Wonka bar.
And so basically what we managed to do here is we managed to like very easily create different versions based on same copy. It doesn't have to just vary across the voice. It could vary across anything really. Like the copy. And when you're done, you can go ahead and export. Pressing download will show you that you can download whichever variations you want. Also creating a public view link will give you the option to share a link that will have all of these different versions that clients and colleagues could listen to and make sure that everything looks and sounds good. Cool. So that's the first use case, to easily like create many different versions. And the second one is if you're running dynamic ads and you want your production to vary based on some conditions. So for example, we're starting with the default one, but for the and you see that the default one was based on any time of the day. But maybe what we want to add is we want to create a dynamic ad that gives a different ad depending on what time of the day it is. So what we can do is we can create a condition here based on time of day, where the option, when that's let's say morning time between AM, we want to be 6:30 and maybe 9 AM though. Let's change that to AM as well and save this. So when the time of the day is between 6:43 a.m. and 9:43 a.m., we want to run this like different production, where instead of ultimate snack of the day, it can be ultimate breakfast on the go. So we're happy with this version. We regenerate this. In this version, it's Anna. In the other one, it's Abby. It's okay. It's okay for now. Basically, we want to create like these different versions. So we now have this, let's call this maybe morning. And we have the default one, we have the morning one, and we can very easily alter these based on copy, based on voices, anything else that you want. And when you're done, you export this. And you can't just only download all of the different versions, but what's cool is that you can export to a frequency compatible file. If you're not aware of frequency allows you to traffic these like different types of ads dynamically to like Spotify, etc. So you use frequency and download this. And what this was going to give you is it's going to give you an Excel file that will have all of the names of all of the different MP3s, so that when this is trafficked, that between this time of the day, you want to run this ad, and if it's not this time of the day, you want to run everything else. So these are the two use cases of variations. Definitely encourage you to play around. I think it's really cool. For most of you, the first one, without like it being condition based, just having the ability to easily go ahead and create different versions is something that's really valuable. And yeah, if there's any questions, let us know. Thank you. Bye.